So once you've written a blog post on your website, you're probably going to want to do a couple of things to spruce up the blog post, such as add a photo would be one example of something that you definitely want to do. So depending on where you want to add the photo, this is what I'll show you what the blog looks like right now. This is what that particular blog looks like. You can just see that it's, it's only text. So what we want to do is we want to come in and we want to add a photo. So a lot of times I'm going to click right here before the first word. On this camera and music notes, this is a add your media section. And so this is going to pull up any of the media that you already have on your website. You can go through here, your images and your media library. If you have a URL, you're going to pull a photo from another website. You can do that also. Primarily, you're probably going to have a photo on your computer or something like that, and you're going to bring it in. So that's what we're going to do in this case. We're going to go to Select Files. We're going to go into Pictures. I'm going to use this one right here. So what's going to happen is it's going to bring the photo in here. If you have a title, you want to make sure that you're putting the same title in the alt text and in the description. If you want this to link somewhere, somebody clicks on the photo, you can determine where that link will go to. Typically, I put none. I have no link for my image. And then also, if you want this to be the featured image that your blog uses whenever you share the blog on social media, or it's the main image that's on your blog feed on your website, you can select Use as Featured Image. So I'm going to select that. And then what size do you want the picture to be? I'm going to use medium, 300 by 200. So I'll insert that. I wonder why it didn't insert. Let's see. Well, let's do it this way. You can click on HTML. Same thing, we're going to click at the very beginning. Select the file. Typically, I'm going to align my photos to the right. I think it makes it easier to read when the text starts to the left and then your photo's on the right-hand side. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert it in here. I don't know why my site pulls in this extra little bit of code right here, but this is what it should look like right here. Let me see, show you where that goes to. So that code right there is the actual image. Code. So what it's saying is what the image source is. It's telling how big it is, how to frame it, how to align it, and then what we're calling the video, and then it goes into the width and the height. So you can see what that looks like. So if we go back to the visual, you're going to see that there's the photo. So I'm going to click on Update. We're going to update that blog post, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to refresh the blog that's actually live online right now, and you'll be able to see that now the photo will be part of it. So let's refresh this blog here. So there you can see what the photo looks like. So that's what it's going to look like when you put it in to the right at the very top of your blog post. So pretty simple. All you need to do each time is just use this Add Media tab right here, and you can pull in media, audio files, or video files that way.